Well, didn't they say this? Yes, they did. The minister was really struggling with civil and criminal justice reform, which is basically saying, arguments on. Honestly, I think he was almost skipping down the corridor.
You have something to say.
Coming.
Partners in all things.
Thank you. Good to see you.